Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening Command Prompt. Press Start, type Cmd, then choose Run as administrator when needed. Once open, set your working directory using cd followed by the folder path or drag a folder into the window to paste it. This ensures commands run where you expect. You should check environment variables with echo %path% so you know which executables are found. Make sure tools like Python or Git resolve before proceeding, because subsequent steps assume the correct context and permissions. You now execute the commands that do the work. Run dir to list files, ipconfig for network details, and tasklist to view active processes. These reveal the immediate state you need. Once done, redirect output with to overwrite or to append, and pipe results with into Finster to filter lines. That lets you parse logs or lists without manual scanning. If permissions block actions, use runnas or takeown plus icackles to change ownership. And remember, append / to any command to learn available options. You finish by automating and verifying the results. Save sequences as bat files or use for /f loops and environment variables to repeat tasks reliably, then check %error level % and any output to confirm success. If a step fails, rerun only the failing commands rather than repeating everything, because that saves time and reduces risk. If things go wrong, first check permissions and path, then run sfc/scano to repair system files, or reboot into safe mode to isolate issues.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.